What's going on? It's your boy Luke, man. It's another one of those ClickFunnels tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add affiliates to your product inside of ClickFunnels so your affiliate can get paid automatically without any headache, right? I'm going to show you how you can set it up such that when you have a product inside of ClickFunnels and you want some people to promote that product for you, those people are known as affiliates, right? How do they get paid, and how do you set it up such that when they make a purchase using their affiliate link, or when someone's make a purchase using their affiliate link, then they can get paid through you? How do you make sure that that happens? I'm going to show that to you if you hang on. Before I go, do not forget to give me that like, and of course hit the subscribe button, and of course the bell button as well, so when I release videos like this, you can be the first of those people to be notified. All right, so just hang on. I'm going to show it to you right now. All right, guys, so let's log into my ClickFunnels account. And again, this is the way that I do it. So I have a lot of friends and associates who just like to have their things thrown all over the place. I do not really do that. I try to keep my things in one place, and that's why I like ClickFunnels a lot, because everything that I need is in one place, right? I have, if I want to send emails, it's right in there. If I want to set up like segmentations to my emails, it's right in there. I want to set up my affiliate, is right there. I want to create the membership site, is right there. So I do not see reasons why you will have all these other things you're using ClickFunnels, have MailChimp and all these things. I'm not bashing those other products. I'm just saying I like to keep my headache in just one place. So if I have a problem, I know where to go. So before I show you this, of course, you've got to have the, let me show you. So your ClickFunnels, you've got to have the package that is $297. That's the Actionetic package that has the backpack in it, because that is what you're going to be making use of as I'm showing this video to you. If you just have the $97, it's not going to work. It's got to be the $297 package. So right now I have a product that I'm promoting, right? It's called SEO Secret, which of course you can grab by the link in the bottom, and I guarantee you are going to learn a lot from that. And if you choose to pick it up today, I'm going to cut the price in more than half. About 45% of the price will be gone. It's usually $697. I'm going to sell it for as cheap as $297. Of course, I'm going to give you a whole lot of other bonuses that are listed below these this video. So, but let me show this to you. So let's assume I want to promote that my product, which is this time around SEO Secret, but I'm going to have to, I already set that up, so I'm going to have to show you using another funnel. So the first thing we're going to have to do, of course, is to go to our funnel. We'll go inside of our ClickFunnels and we go over here, come over here to backpack. When we go to backpack, we want to set up what is known as commissions, right? All right, so when you come to your commissions, you want to click on your commission plan right here. When you click on commission plan, you want to add commission. You give it a name. I'm going to call this one test commission, or whatever name you want to call it, to make sure this one says United States, and of course make sure it's active. If you want your commission to expire at some point, you can put that right here. If you don't want it to expire, just leave it off. And of course, in your own case, you may want to set this as default commissions. In my own case, I'm not going to do that because I already have one. There is my default commission. All right, and default commission means if you want to just keep paying the same percentage to people all the time they promote your product, that may not be the case. So in my own case, I'm just going to leave it off because I already have a default commission set up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create commission plan. All right, so when I say create commission plan, so the next thing I'm going to do right now, all right, and of course, that's the test commission right there. I'm going to go back over here to my I'm going to go inside of my funnel, whichever funnel that I want to promote. So let's say the funnel is this one right here. Let me try to find one with an other page. Okay, you know what though? We're just going to use the affiliate offer secrets that are already used. So we're going to go over here, and of course, let's come over here. Do not forget though to make sure that you create your product. So let's say we're picking up an order form. Just use anyone for the purpose of this demonstration. I'm gonna pick this one. Let's just pick whichever one, it doesn't matter. Of course, you want to name your product. You want to give your product a name. You want to add product. In this case, I must also stress that this is only allowed with Stripe. All right, so I'm going to say I'm choosing Stripe, and it's just one-time payments, you know, all those things that you have to go through when you're creating like a product inside of ClickFunnels. Tests products, I'm going to call it that name, and of course the price this time around we say $2 or whatever it is, $20, whatever, you know. Okay, so of course, so you go ahead and save it. Once you save that, now you want to go over to, you set up all these other pages, you know, just keep going, say save, save, save until you get to this part where it says affiliate options, right? Affiliate options. It says optional because not every product requires that an affiliate should promote it. So I'm going to click on the affiliate options. I just keep all these other areas. You can always just go back in and fill those out. So I'm going to say this product is commissionable, right? And I say yes, and I will pick the product that I want. I'm going to call it tests commission, right? And I'm going to say save. The next thing we're going to do once we do that is to now go back inside that very funnel. All right. In my own case, I'm just going to go back over here to the funnel. You can just go back to return to product lists if that's the route you want to go. Go back to this funnel and just click on overview. You guys know how to get back on there. Anyway, so we're inside of this funnel. There are two steps we have to add in this funnel, right? The first step is, I'm going to call that one affiliate access. Let's call it affiliate access. All right. Whichever way you want to name that path, I'll call it affiliate access. Affiliate access. All right. The other step you want to add right now is going to be the affiliate members area, right? There's the affiliate members area. So this is where your affiliates will come in and, you know, give them that link for them to sign up. As an affiliate, of course, they can come in and check their affiliate commission. And they don't have to be using ClickFunnels for them to be able to promote your product. Anyone, you know, that want to promote your product can do that. So we're going to call this one affiliate members area. All right, and we're going to create that step. So the next thing we want to do right now is to go ahead and create our affiliate type. So we want to go back to backpack and want to click on our commission plans. Click on affiliate type and add it. This time around, it's the test affiliate, right? You want to set this as default affiliate type? Not necessarily. You can just call it, okay, let's call it 30% affiliates, 40% affiliate, whatever you want to call it. So I want to create that. So once now that you've set up your commission plans and of course your affiliate type, so you want to go back into your commission plans and just click next to that one that you just created, which is in this case our 30% commission affiliate. You want to add, put the amount you want over there. You can put like a dollar amount or just percentage. In this case, I'll say 30. I want to make it percentages. I want to make, okay, so this one is asking you like how many months before payout. So in my own case, I'm going to say 1 month. You know, people are very crazy. They promote your products. They go back and have all this bunch of chargeback. You want to make sure you protect against that. So you want to say 1 month before payout, then add affiliate schedule. All right. So the next thing you want to do, you want to go back inside that funnel. Go back inside that funnel look for that particular funnel, which in this case is this funnel right here, and come back over here to your affiliate access. Sorry, when you come to affiliate access, you come over here, choose affiliate access. It's going to give you a template that you can use. Just choose any one that you want to use. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and edit. There's no big deal here. All you have to do is just go ahead and change this text to whatever you want to change it to. This is where your affiliates will be able to log in. That's the access area, and of course the affiliate member. So this right here, this link is what you want to send to wherever you want to be your affiliates, right? So you want to copy this link. You can in this case I did not attach this particular funnel to any domain, so it's still saying my name, the Clickfunnels, whatever. So but this is the link you want to send to your affiliates. So when they come over here, let's preview this together. So say for instance someone wants to promote your offer, send them this affiliate link. Let them fill out all this information, and of course they become affiliates. Once they do that, next time they come around, they're going to find themselves in the affiliate members area. And do not forget to hide the affiliate members area. You do the same thing like you did. Go over here to affiliate, add affiliate members. Do not complicate things. I'm just going to add this to it. So now whenever they log in and they come over here, this is what they're going to see. When someone becomes an affiliate, once they sign in, they'll be able to get the link over here, and they'll be able to see how much they've sold. All right, and of course you can add your swap files, like for the email, for the promotion, you can add it under here, just like Russell Brunson did over here with the 10x. So this would be, they will have the affiliate link attached to this, and that's how this is done. I hope this answered all the questions you guys have about creating affiliate access inside of ClickFunnels. But if you're confused or you have any questions, please let me know. And of course, do not forget, you can always go back to your settings, put your funnel, put it on test mode, and of course test this out. And when someone's test it out yourself as an affiliate, once you do that, you're going to see that it works, and hopefully that helps you. Again, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Leave it below the video. All right, so I hope you find values in that. If you guys have questions, if it's confusing to you, just let me know. Send me an email. Of course, my email, you can find that below. But before you guys go, I want to tell you again about my SEO Secret course that I just created. It's an 18-module long SEO Secret. Everything you need to know about SEO so that you can start to rank organically on Google. All right, and I just created my blog, which is lukemanbranding.com. And within less than a month, I'm already ranking very high for a lot of keywords. So I show you guys in this SEO Secret how you too can optimize your page and those of your clients to ensure that they have the visibility they need to get the kind of conversion they want. Now, here's what I want to do. The SEO Secret is sold for $697. But if you decide to pick it up today using the link below, I am going to give it to you at only $297. Not only that, I'm going to give you the 21 most powerful quick list building strategies. As a matter of fact, let me push this over here because I have all this written down for you guys so I can tell you all the things that you're going to get if you decide to pick this up today. If you pick it up today, again, it's not going to be $697 for you. It's going to be $297. I'm going to give you the 21 most powerful quick list building strategies that I created, which is powerful because you've got to start creating your list. If you have to start building your list because the money is in the list. All right, for everyone you have in your list, you should be able to make it at least $1 a day. And do not worry if you've not started building lists before. You can start today. There are only two best times rather to plant a tree. Of course, it was 20 years ago and today. So if you've not started building your list, you've got to start doing that right now. So you might be like, look, man, I don't know how to create. What can I do to start creating lists? Once you pick up the SEO Secret, I'm going to give you my secret on how I create lists both on YouTube or any other platform for that matter. Also, I'm going to invite you to my Unlimited Traffic and Conversion Academy, where I share a lot of things on how to get traffic organically and of course paid as well, and of course how you can convert those traffic. As you know, getting traffic is not what matters. Being able to convert those traffic is what matters. So inside my Unlimited Traffic and Conversion Academy, which of course is a value of $397, I'm going to give it to you for free. The 21 most powerful quick list building strategies, which is valued at $997. I'm also going to give that to you for free. Not only that, I'm going to give you a flying t-shirt that says .com success. This t-shirt that you're looking at right here, I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to pay for that t-shirt is just $7 shipping. And of course, you know, this t-shirt cost me way more than $7 to make it. I just want to give it to you for free for picking up the SEO Secret today. Also, I'm going to give you a free admission into my affiliate offer secret mastermind. This is what actually did it for me, right? Understanding how to promote product as an affiliate is what got me to where I am today. And of course, not only will you learn how to promote other people's products, you're also going to learn how to create your own products and of course have people promote your products for you. We're going to discuss all of that inside my affiliate offer secret mastermind, which I'm going to give to you for free. The value of that, of course, is $997. Also, I'm going to give you the Clickfunnels Made easy walkthrough videos like the one you just saw right now. I have another one that I create, not just one, a bunch of them that I created for those who are having problem, sorry, I can't speak, it's too late at night, I have to go to sleep, who are having problem navigating ClickFunnels. I create a course for them that I sell for $297. I'm going to give that to you for free. Also, I'm going to give you 30 pre-built multi-industry funnels. All these funnels that you're looking at right here, I'm going to give them all to you for free. Those funnels by themselves are worth well over $10,000 because I create all these for clients, and of course I sell them individually. And I will sell just the landing page, and I will sell the OTO page by itself, and of course the second OTO page, and on and on and on. But all of those I'm going to give to you for free if you decide to pick up my SEO Secret today for only $297. And besides that, I'm going to be available to you inside our members area, where you can ask me questions about, Luke, man, how do you go from being a registered nurse to now owning your own digital marketing company, and of course having your own staff working for you within less than a year. It is no secret to it other than the fact that you have to work hard, and more than that, you have to have someone who can hold you by the hand and show you step by step what you need to do so that you do not feel lonely, because I guarantee you this entrepreneurial journey could feel extremely lonely sometimes, and your family members and friends may not even understand what the heck you're doing. They want you to go get that regular job, go there 9 to 5 and come back home. Stop wasting your time online. That's what they tell you. But do not listen, because there is light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm going to be there with you to show you what I've been able to do. How was I able to get into the 2Comma Club X, where I pay $1,800 every month within less than a year? How was I able to do all of that? Have my own company, get in this club where I pay $1,800 a month. And I guarantee you what, when I started the 2Comma Club X, I only had about less than $4,000 in my account, and I had to pay rent. I had to, pay rent. I had to pay for it, the 2Comma Club X. But you know what though? I stuck my head in, and of course I did it. I'm going to show you in our members area how you can do all this as well. So again, go ahead and pick up that SEO Secrets, and I will see you on the other side. All right? Stop progressing. Do not give up, because there is light behind the tunnel. And again, do not stop selling. Otherwise, you're going to get sold. See you later.